Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Meta Platforms. The report was first published on our website February 2, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Meta Platforms for the upcoming trading day on Thursday 3rd, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Meta Platforms performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Meta Platforms stock currently holds a 0.251 score, and our system has ranked Meta Platforms hold candidate since February 2, 2022. Over the next few days, we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Meta Platforms, our last headline reads, Stronger Technical Forecast for Meta Platforms Incorporated Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The Meta Platforms Incorporated stock price gained 1.25% on the last trading day, Wednesday, February 2, 2022, rising from $319 to $323, and has now gained 6 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the stock fluctuated 3.51% from a day low at $316.87 to a day high of $328. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.07% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 28 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 45 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $14.65 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $384.33, and the lowest price was $253.50. Right now the price is 15.96%, or $61.33, below 52-week high at $384.33, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Meta Platforms stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 6.53% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 14.98% and minus 2.24%. The 12-month trend indicates a 16.15% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 6.58% and 46.02%. This equals a price between $344.26 and $471.64 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, January 20, 2022, UBS Group set target to $440. On Tuesday, January 18, 2022, JP Morgan Chase & Company set target to $385. On Tuesday, January 4, 2022, Jefferies Financial Group set target to $420. On Wednesday, December 29, 2021, Jefferies Financial Group set target to $420. On Monday, December 6, 2021, HSBC set target to $300. From analysts, Meta Platforms stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Meta Platforms stock a neutral rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for Meta Platforms. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, January 26, 2022, and so far it has risen 9.63%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Meta Platforms Incorporated stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $326.16. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $306.63. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average divergence, MACD. The stock had a golden star signal on Tuesday, February 9, 2021 in the long-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 16 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 86 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Meta Platforms. Meta Platforms Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $310.60, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $11.13 between high and low, or 3.51%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.26%. The stock has a beta of 1.38. This tells us that Meta Platforms is 0.38 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Meta Platforms. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Meta Platforms currently has a price-earning ratio of 22.87. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Meta Platforms meets first resistance at $332.46. If you do not hold Meta Platforms shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Meta Platforms finds first level of support at $310.60, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $318.38, $315.75, $311.50. Sell at $326.87, $329.50, $333.75. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for Meta Platforms, is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On January 25, 2022, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 125 of Class A common stock. On January 18, 2022, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 125 of Class A common stock. On January 18, 2022, Sue Tony made an inside buy of 3,023 of restricted stock units, RSU, Class A. On January 18, 2022, Sue Tony made an inside buy of 389 of restricted stock units, RSU, Class A. On January 11, 2022, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 125 of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -22.451. In total, the insiders bought 203,037 and sold 322,645 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $309.69, minus 4.12%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 5 days ago. Is Meta Platforms stock a buy? Meta Platforms Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 3rd, we expect Meta Platforms to open down -38 and start trading at $322.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.